In this video, we're going to be using the shed foundation to build a 7x7 shed. So these are all the parts that we've got right now. They're all disorganized and jumbled up. So we're just going to try and get them all organized before we go and build on this shed pad. So right now we're just doing the pre-assembly to get all the hardware on. This little rubber thing that I'm putting in right now is used to help create a seal when the windows are installed. As you'll see in a minute, they were very difficult to work with and kept popping out while we were trying to put them in. It was the most frustrating part of this whole project. This is the part where we really struggled with that little rubber piece. This is sped up at 50 times just to give you a reference. Right here, we're just trying to organize all of the metal brackets, and Riley's reading through the instructions to figure out the next steps.
Yeah. Secure with 6 screws.
At this point, the walls are ready to come up, and from now on, we just have to put all the pieces together and screw them in.
What? Oh, what?
No.
Right?
No.
Oh, I could see black things, that's why I thought that.
Oh wait, it has to go in from the top. Okay, hold it there. Down.
It is all the way down.
Oh,
Got it? I'll hold this still while you do it.
Attaching this metal beam will allow us to put on the rafters so we can attach the roof.
I guess we have to like pull the wall.
Yeah.
Wait.
Alright, here's what it's looking like right now. We just put up all of these metal beams for support. I'll show you. And now we're going to be putting on the doors.
Security.
All done. Smile. So we just finished up building the shed. I'll show you the side of it. But it's pretty nice. Here's the inside. And there's little windows up there. So now I'm just gonna be organizing the shed and I'll show you guys that. Alright, so the shed is all somewhat organized now. All of this stuff just used to be in the basement, so now it has a home to live. Still have some more organizing to do, but overall, I'm super happy with this shed. It was pretty easy to build, and it definitely saved a lot of space in the house.
Let's go.